The Manipur High Court has reserved its order on the All Manipur Tribal Union's to application seeking a leave to file a third-party appeal against its March 27 order on recommending scheduled tribe status to the state's dominant Meitei community. According to Hindu newspaper, a division bench of Justices Ahanthem Bimol Singh and Aguneshwar Sharma this week concluded the hearing in the application filed by the AMTU, which sought a leave to appeal the controversial order that is said to be immediate trigger for the 5-month-long conflict underway in the state between the dominant valley-based Meitei community and the hills-based Kuki Zomi people who come under ST category. The March 27 judgment was an PIL filed by a Meitei body seeking directions that their pleas for ST status be acted upon. A bench of Acting Chief Justice M.V. Muralidharan had ordered the state government to consider the representation and directed them to write to the union government within 4 weeks. Tribal bodies across the state started protesting against the order as soon as it was made public in April, spiraling into violence that began on May 3rd. Within days of the violence beginning, the AMTU had approached the Manipur High Court with its application, arguing that a concerned entity, the tribal body, was not made a party to the initial PIL and that the March 27 order was passed within hearing them. It also argued that the court had passed the unpunished order without applying the necessary test. Advocate Colin Gonsalves, appearing for AMTU, had argued that the Meitei's plea for ST status was missing a basic ingredient to qualify as an ST, the claim of backwardness. It further submitted that the community had always been relatively forward compared to STs of the state. The union government had submitted before the court that it would not be objecting to the leave to file appeal by the tribal body. However, the Manipur government led by Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, which has been accused of supporting the Meiteis in the ongoing conflict, opposed the application. The state government submitted that the AMTU was not an aggrieved party in the instant case and hence no locus stand to file an appeal against the March 27 order. The Meitei body, which was the party to the case, had made the same argument. In a hearing on October 5th, the court said it had concluded the proceedings and was reserving its order in the case. While the court has not specified when the order in this case is expected to be delivered, the matter has been listed for next hearing on January 3rd, 2024, as per the High Court's website. If the leave to file third-party appeal is allowed, the tribal body's appeal against the March 27 order can be taken up by the High Court. Meanwhile, a petition seeking a review of the same order is pending in the High Court. This matter, where both tribal outfits and Meitei bodies are parties, is expected to come up or its next hearing on Monday, the report added.